Officials are looking to Western New York as a potential location to keep children who were brought into the United States illegally. Good evening, I'm Lou Raguse. The feds made their way to a Grand Island property yesterday, only to find out it wasn't available. News 4's Rachel Kingston joins us now with the details. Rachel?
Well, the feds showed up at a Grand Island hotel yesterday thinking it was empty and they could use it as temporary housing for children who are in the United States illegally. They were shocked to find it wasn't empty, and local officials were shocked to learn the government is taking on the responsibility of caring for some 60,000 kids. Management at the Byblos Niagara Resort and Spa on Grand Island confirms to News 4 that officials from Customs and Border Protection, as well as the Department of Homeland Security, showed up at the hotel Friday morning on an apparent scouting mission. The feds thought the hotel was vacant and were considering using it as temporary housing for children who've come to the United States illegally without an adult guardian.
Who does this? How does this not become much more vetted, much more discussed?
Neither Byblos nor the town of Grand Island were contacted ahead of time. Town Supervisor Mary Cook only learned of the plan Friday in an email forwarded by Assemblyman John Soretto's office.
So I sent it on to the town board and then responded to our assembly members' staff and just said, what does this mean? Does the town have any say?
The email also contained a link to a presidential memorandum dated June 2nd, which directs the government to provide humanitarian relief to unaccompanied alien children, quote, including housing, care, medical treatment, and transportation.
The numbers in 4 years have gone from 7,000 to 8,000 a year. This year, it is supposed to be 60,000. I just have no idea about the purpose of this. I don't know what we're trying to accomplish. It seems odd that we're going to be bringing people from the Southwest and bringing them to New York. Who's paying for this? Who thought it's a good idea? How smart is it to allow 60,000 unaccompanied children to come to America? I can't even fathom that this is smart, prudent.
A similar situation happened last week in Virginia, where over 1,000 people lambasted federal officials at a public meeting. No one from the federal government has responded to our phone calls or emails today. It's not clear now what will happen with the Grand Island plan. Rachel Kingston, News 4 at 6.